Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a little mini Target haul video to show y'all, and since I got it, might as well just show y'all because I like these kind of videos, and I also want to know how other people's like taste are and like ideas and whatnot, like what they like and everything. So I figured I might as well show y'all because I like seeing these videos. So let's get this started. Let me situate y'all. Okay, I'm trying this new this phone tripod so I can have free hands to show y'all. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, this wired basket, it has rose gold handles on it. And it's really nice. This basket cost $14. And it's called a storage crate. So, and I just like it how it has the rose gold handles and it's also gray. So it fits with the whole color scheme of my room. And it pretty much holds a lot. So, yeah. Alright. So what I have in here is this glitter. It's really pretty. And it is the pink mix. And it's sparkling glitter. And it's a 2.5 ounce. And it's non-toxic. So that's good. So, yep. So I'm going to use this glitter. Let me show you. I bought this block A. It has like this cardboard material. And it already has a hanging hole for you to put the nail in already. And it's only $2.49 over there. And so I'm going to be putting this glitter on this A. So that was very nice. And I got this and paperweight holder. And it's not that heavy, but it's heavy for it to hold the paper on. And that's that. And it was on clearance for $4.88. And they had a lot more in there, so go get you some. It's really nice and handy. And I got these washies. And it's already opened. So, very glittery. And it has that rose gold. Also, let me open this one so y'all can see. I can even open it. Okay, there we go. And it's polka dots with white dots with a pink background. So I got that. 2 rows. So yep, thought that was cute. And then I got these pencils for $12.99. And I saw these, and these were really cute. I really like them. This one says, "Get weird, strictly business, too legit to quit. Wink, wink, hustle." And it has like a $sign for the S. And it says, "Magic Maker." So, yeah. And I thought these were really cool. And I like the case that it came in. And so it's a set of 12. So there's that. So that way you can see them. And then I got this frame. It was like by the Valentine area. It said something on it, but I just changed it. I just flipped it over for it to be the white. And it's rose gold and it's marble. I'm so excited that I saw this. It was $3 at the dollar spot. So, yeah, that's all that I got. And plus it made a really quick idea video for you guys. So I'm just gonna give you like overall look. So there's that, the frame, and the basket. So it's pretty deep too, so that's good. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching these kind of videos like me. I like to watch these as well. So yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. I'll be posting them weekly on, not weekly, but weekends on every other Saturday and every other Sunday as well. So yeah, stay tuned for those. It may be haul videos, it may be DIY videos. You never know. Maybe this might be a video idea for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. And also hit that subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up. So I will see you next time. All right, bye loves.